Welcome back to Auto In this video, I will show you how to update the firmware on your Red V-RAPTOR XC camera step by step.
Step 1. Download the latest firmware. Visit the Red Downloads page to obtain the most recent firmware for your camera model. Step 2. Prepare the firmware files. Unzip the downloaded firmware zip file. Inside the unzipped folder, locate the upgrade folder. Locate the upgrade folder. Step 3. Transfer firmware to CF Express card. Copy the entire upgrade folder, including its contents, to the root directory of your CF Express media card. Step 4. Insert CF Express card into camera. Eject the CF Express card safely from your computer and insert it into the V-RAPTOR EDZ's media slot. Step 5. Initiate firmware upgrade power on the camera. Navigate to Maintenance. Select Upgrade and confirm by pressing OK. The camera will display the following sequence. Shutting down upgrading, initializing firmware upgrade progress screen. Step 6. Complete the upgrade. Once the upgrade is successful, the camera will prompt you with a restart button. Press it to reboot the camera. X7. Accept software license agreement. Upon reboot, the software license agreement (SLA) screen will appear. Press the button under Agree to accept the terms and continue.